I don't know why it keeps doing it. It's like, hey, both. Like somehow we are of one mind and can just like speak things simultaneously. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Anyway.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Salty Souls, stories that transform. I'm Lori.
And I'm Michael. And we explore love, humanity, and all the feels through all stories, whether it's smutty romance, chaotic fantasy, wholesome anime, or that weird thing you just can't categorize.
Episode 6 of Murderbot, and after that, Explosion. Last episode, that is like Explosion, end of episode. We're ready for anything, or at least we thought we were.
Spoiler alert, we are not ready. This episode has comfort media, anxiety attacks, shocking betrayals, and, well, let's just say that Murderbot is going to make a choice that's going to have us talking for days.
We're going to find out that our SecUnit has been deleting repair manuals to make room for more episodes of Sanctuary Moon, and honestly, relatable.
Yeah, the most relatable robot in fiction. As always, we're keeping it real, honest, and joyful, even when the show decides to emotionally destroy us in new and creative ways.
Sometimes we're analyzing coping mechanisms, sometimes we're screaming at plot twists. If you're here for all the emotions, smash that subscribe button.
Ready to see how media consumption saves lives and also, well, other things happen.
Let's dive in, but maybe have some comfort media ready yourself, okay?
Yourself.
Okay.
Let's get into episode 6, Command Feed.
Right?
All right.
Okay.
Do it. We're going to get a recap? Don't give us a recap.
I'm sure they will.
Give us a recap. Recap? No recap.
There you go. Recap.
Okay. There's only one way to stop it, Lori.
Oh, God. Yes.
Labibi. I'm just not going to get over that name.
No.
Already rogue.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, let's get the emergency beacon. Absolutely.
Okay, here we go. We were like...
That's right.
Oh, my God.
Kentucky Fried Hopper. So... Oh. Was it going down last time? I guess it was.
I mean, it looks like, but I don't know that it was actually like going down. I don't know.
I'm going down, 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 down. Okay. Oh. Oh, no. No. Not the robot.
I love this. I totally love this.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sorry, was he just smacking a button again and again?
I don't know. So,
why is the navigation robot on a planet?
Well, he's watching a show, and he's supposed to be fixing the hopper, but he's watching a show.
Yeah. But I'm asking why in the show the navigation bot is on a planet.
I don't know. I don't know how they got here, but there's just the two of them. Did you see that?
Oh my God. Oh my God. What is happening? Oh, that's uncomfortable. Oh, no.
The system is down. Hopper seems structurally sound. Did it start? Should it fly? Something sticking out of the abdomen. So the printer got damaged in the crash.
You have something sticking out of your abdomen.
Yeah.
They might be on their way to kill the next. Yes, someone is probably on their way to try to kill them. I didn't want to sound as freaked out as they actually were.
I mean...
You have copies of those headliners in your memory, yes? No. You can.
No?
I did. You did. There was a copy in the Hopper's memory. Mine was redundant. I you saying that
You erased the repair manuals, Lori.
No, he just wanted more content.
Then why? Because I had to in order to make space for the 19.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He did that to make space for his shows.
Right.
It is not
Agrees disregard.
So I just want to say this. Hold on. I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, hold on. I just want to say this. She's like, it's not even a premium quality show. As if there were a show that if it was high enough quality, you could put the lives of people at risk for.
Right. The quality of the show doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
That's what they're dithering over. They're like, yeah, but I mean, if it was a high show, like if it was like Downton Abbey, of course we would delete the things for it, right?
Of course we would.
Right? We don't need
And
repair manuals.
He's like,
because that show is good enough for people to die for. Okay, I'm just going to hit play.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. Oh, she's mad.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, why is his blood blue now? Has it always been blue? Oh no,
yes,
it's not blue.
It's weird colors. See, now we gotta like figure it out. I mean, that was stopping him from bleeding out. Does she not understand that?
It's just lubrication fluid. He can get it from the hopper, right? I mean, know. I'm just making stuff up.
I have no idea. But he cannot stay clean for a second.
No, I mean, it's like they're living in a frat house. Everyone's sick and something's always broken.
There's always fluids everywhere.
All these it's like living in a frat house. There's all these fluids everywhere. I feel like that's a statement, Lori. I feel like that's predicated on some personal knowledge, maybe?
Makes me want to go do laundry.
Makes you want to go do laundry. Cool. Yeah.
I mean, just in general, because, just because, wow, these people.
Lori, what is going on over there? All right, so we still got the same opening, by the way.
Right.
Yeah? So, I mean, if this is foreshadowing...
I'm scared.
He's already fought off one bot.
Wait, but it's like, okay, what are all these people outside?
Oh, that sounds horrible.
You sure you don't need any help packing? I am done. No, we're good.
Oh. Are they both turned off on him?
Maybe.
Hopper, you ready?
Thanks for letting me help.
What have they done to that place?
It's all plantified.
Minerals. Find anything cool? Oh, so much good stuff. Hey, what happened? Here, I was attacked by a creature. Eaten alive. How surveying. Imagine that. Millions of years of evolution to top evolution and some sideways.
Food. Bardwash. Yo, no, that was super weird.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, weird.
Mensah. SecUnit.
They didn't notice an explosion? They didn't pick that up off the ionosphere?
I guess.
Cute, huh?
Cute rogue.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Me too.
My mind too. Yeah.
Wow.
This is the problem. Wiring. Burns out. Why can't you put new on it? Not the printer's fault. I wasn't referring to the printer.
Oh, she having a panic attack?
So, yeah. We,
Yes, there are a lot of things wrong.
yeah.
Her heartbeat is elevated. No, you're not having a heart attack. You're not. Actually, I do. I'm monitoring your vital signs. I was used to protecting clients.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Different. It felt almost contagious. I had to try something. I couldn't have both of us incapacitated by anxiety. Sit down on this bunk.
Oh, interesting.
They're both having a panic. They're
Yeah.
having a panic attack together.
Yeah, that weird standing position she was in isn't going to help anybody's anxiety, right? Oh,
Something that works for me when I don't have a heart, so no, not that.
yeah. Is he sharing with the Hopper module?
He's doing the Sanctuary Moon song
No.
or show. He's singing. He's singing. Oh my
Yes.
God.
Sanctuary Moon. Oh wow, he did shift her out by
yeah.
getting her angry.
It's a soothing episode.
This is the one in which they discover a bacterial infection which causes synchronized breathing. Watch. There's Flight Supervisor Kobe. He's an orphan who was raised by a pair of Villiard crystal eaters.
I want this show to be real.
Me too. I so want this show to be real. Oh, so his parents are going to die way ahead of time. Do you see how he defends the show?
Yeah.
That's implausible. It's canon. Breathe the crystal air. Breathe, Lori. Breathe the crystal air. Right? I can't believe that this is what he goes to, is synchronized breathing to panic or attack.
They're feeling calm.
Yeah.
Good. Let's figure out how to fix this.
Oh no, she's going to fix him and the machine.
I'm fine. Just a little low on lubricant. Dr. Mensah, you need to understand that I am not human. Things that would incapacitate you wouldn't even.
And that was just like a real human being. I'm totally fine. Bap. Yeah. Wow, these names. Syscom Souls.
But this expedition has hazards scheduled, so it was not enough time to plan afterwards. I could be out in like 2.5 years. We don't have work adventures on preservation lines. Really? Gotta visit sometime. Please do, so we can come with this now. I'll come after my adventure. A license for childbirth with my MNC. You need a license to do the show? Of course, you have to have a license. It's use up resources. How do you pay for them? The community pays for them, their health, their education. I think you really have to pay. But where does the money come from?
Debt. Debt.
We need scientific information that can be exploited for public good. As in this case.
Yeah. Shitty.
Yeah. Why were your maps okay? I heard ours had these missing parts, and when we went, here's missing parts.
So your team noticed areas that were left off of the corporation maps.
Our maps were missing data too. And the survey went to check out the places where the map was missing. These creatures that tried to eat them.
Oh.
And when they came back, that's what
You're missing this. Are you sure you don't know where the outside SecUnit came from?
Grathan is suspicious.
I'm too busy trying not to what happened to you? I don't need to tell you this.
Think of that.
I don't trust her.
Yeah, he doesn't either. In this case, it may be warranted.
That's not good enough. I'm gonna need you to give me that.
Oh.
What?
It's a
Don't make me use it. Or do. Up to you. Either way, I'm getting what I want.
Oh, okay. Is she gonna take over Murderbot? I'm sorry. Wait.
I couldn't tell you.
Wait. Did she hook him up to the hopper? I was joking earlier. Oh my god.
She did. She put something under his head.
I was making it up. I didn't lubrication from the hopper. That's awesome.
I love it.
How does she know which port to stick it in?
Dude, I have no idea.
I know how to fix the hopper.
He's going to use himself as wiring, isn't he?
Right?
He's going to hook himself in. Oh, no. No. Why is his back uncovered?
Oh, no.
Perhaps my neural wiring to replace
Oh.
No.
But that's
No.
human tissue, isn't it? Well, yes. Some of the best data transfer material in the known universe.
Okay.
You know they're using transports? No, I didn't.
Oh, she didn't realize they were using human-based organic wire. Oh, man.
I'm a little grossed out, personally.
Cutting people. Just slice out a thin strip of my spinal cord. Okay.
Yeah,
mm-hmm.
it's not going to hurt. Turn off my pain sensor.
That doesn't matter. It's still weird and ooky. Isn't that going to damage his ability to move?
I realized this was going to be tricky because humans are so pathetically weak-willed. So I searched for some relevant dialogue from Mensah and Murderbot.
Oh my god, Mensah and Murderbot. This is like Grey's Anatomy from space.
Right?
Rotten. Can mean a rotten hard life. Think of that.
Right.
We still have beef with Garathan. This is good. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, and it's gonna bleed like it's real. No.
I would have to go somewhere mentally
Oh.
as well.
Oh.
You've only cut through the first layer. You need to go deeper.
Yeah. Get in there.
No, it's cool.
No, I am. I can massage you while you massage that.
It's alright. It feels really good.
You can get massaged as long as I continue to get massaged.
Okay, honestly, I am a little freaked out about it. I don't know. Babe,
Me too. I don't actually think that it would happen. It's kind of like
Wait, how
I
was
like
it
how that
then-
was 5 seconds of, and then it's like, no, I need some now.
I've never heard it talk like that.
Mensah must be back.
No.
No? Oh, that's right. I forgot.
Okay, we're all here.
You're not going to rush her from behind? La baby. So they thought someone was coming to kill them, but someone was already there.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah? You don't have to eat me. I just need you to slice me open. Crack it open?
Oh, fuck.
Oh. She looked like she was going to hit him there for a second.
I know.
Crack it. Just get in there and crack it, Mensah. Get it.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh,
God.
yeah.
Oh, God.
Get it.
Oh, God.
Yeah, this is going to be awesome.
Ugh.
I'll get like sprays, like spinal fluid
Be
everywhere.
quiet, Michael. I don't want to see this. I really don't.
Okay. Get hold of one strand of nerve fiber. Make an incision on top and try to pull it out whole. Oh, wow. That is weird. Goo on one end. Oh.
I feel.
I need it to twitch a little bit, you know? Like,
Michael.
oh, there we go. We're just going to make it like a foot long, right? We're making it like a foot long. So. Good. Good. Oh my God. Was that a joke?
You made a joke.
That was a joke. Oh, that's not right.
Why, Michael?
Thing.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry, they just replaced one little piece of burnt out wiring. Is that what happened?
Good times. Good times. Good times. He says good times. Oh, God.
Okay, so now they're headed back. She's got them all hostage, right? So what do we think is going to happen here if once they get back? Oh, Shiza.
Sit down.
Wow.
Run back the survey analysis. If you hide anything, I will kill someone.
Well, these people can't catch a break.
Whoever is paying you to do this does not have your best interest in mind. And you do? Yes. Actually, no matter what kind of trouble you are in, I can help you get sanctuary on preservation lines.
Yeah.
Can you give me millions of credits? That's not what's important. No, I intend to find out. Login helps us here. We got more SecUnits. Give me what I want and you can survive this. Sweet baby, even your real name? Yes, it is my real name.
Labibi. It's kind of a stupid name.
Beautiful name. It is a beautiful name. Do you even want a baby? I hate babies.
Oh my God.
He's gonna kick your ass when he gets back.
Your SecUnit?
Oh, wow.
So is Mensah. I blew them up with the emergency beacon.
Oh.
But you are not evil. I know.
Put down the weapon.
Make another fucking move and
Oh!
Oh! Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
What's a chance? Yes. Everything turned out fine.
Wow.
You killed her.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
The cereals I want, when somebody comes and saves the day,
Is she laughing or crying?
She's laughing. She's lost it completely.
These clients didn't seem to be relieved or grateful.
Yeah. Because
Since she no longer has a head, you can't know, nor can we know anything about her accomplishment.
Right. I mean, you could have got information out of her.
yeah, but I don't think he has a stun weapon.
What do we do now? Make sure we're not around when they get here.
Yeah, maybe.
I'd like to repair my spinal column. If that is all right with everyone.
They're like shocked when he went to extreme measures to save their lives. And by the way, I will note, he didn't have to save Garathan. He doesn't like Garathan.
We have to get the hopper ready.
Wow, they are not equipped for this.
They are not.
Yikes. I'm not sure I would be equipped for this. Wait, what's that?
We're back here.
Oh, no. Oh, no, Lori.
Yes, we are.
Oh, no.
I do not have a master.
The navigation bot that's not a sex bot.
Only a set of commands to follow.
Only a set of commands to follow.
We all follow commands.
Oh, God. Why is he so intense?
Because
What is happening?
Commands.
From inside? Oh, my God. Feelings are the commands from the inside, Lori. Do you understand? Oh my God, this is so good.
it is so good.
That is our story. This is how we follow commands from the inside, Lori.
It is.
Oh, wow, they had trees and a hammock.
Hammock.
The Virgin Arts team had been feeling. They were starting to know me. They thought that they were making connections with me.
And then you came in and murdered people.
But I was becoming like them.
That's a lot of gore she had to deal with.
Yeah.
Then I exploded Labibi's head. Yeah.
And that felt good.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That felt good. All right. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. I mean, yeah, there's a lot there.
Wow.
Yeah. I just want to say that, like, he just saved Garathan's life. He didn't even like the guy. And she had kind of a good... I don't think he has stun weapons either. I think it's just kill or nothing,
Yeah,
right?
I don't know. I think that doing that a different way was possible, but she did have a gun right up. I mean, it wasn't, it wasn't like over here. It was pressed against Garathan's head.
Yeah.
And that was his first instinct, was to put it into that, Garathan or not. He was like, I'll take care of this.
Right.
Shit.
Especially given the distance of her head. Because he actually shot the furthest part from Garathan. That's why he went for the head. Right.
Because she was completely behind him with that gun to the head. So that's all he had.
Right.
And he was, of course, extremely accurate, but Jesus.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, what an episode. So, like, oh my God, she has to do all this emergency surgery. We get, like, heads exploding and the whole thing. Labibi is not Labubu. She is a traitor, right? So,
right.
I would say that episode 6 just kind of put us through a little bit of everything. Comfort media is therapy, betrayal, protection through violence, and that weird ending.
Right? The complexity of this for Murderbot, admitting that he was, that felt really good to kill Labibi. I mean, heroes would not say that. Right? So you're like, okay, back to who are we actually dealing with?
Right. Well, and I think that's what makes it brilliant, is that it doesn't pretend that, like, protecting people is always, like, super clean or emotionally simple.
So what did you, like, really feel? Did you, like, Murderbot, he's like, okay, we're both about to have a panic attack and we're going to use this TV show to help Mensah. Okay. Then there's Labibi's betrayal, but okay, I have to say personally for me, she was a red flag from the beginning. Sorry.
Yeah, totally.
Or that instant, decisive protection at the end.
Yeah. So let us know in the comments, because we need to process this together. I'm still kind of shook by how fast Murderbot reacted. That caught me off guard.
Yeah. No hesitation, no committee consensus, just threat identified, threat eliminated.
Right.
That's a lot.
So next week's episode 7, and honestly, how does everyone move forward from this? So
if you want to explore these complex questions about protection, violence, and what it means to care for others, subscribe and hit the bell.
You know, because this show does keep asking, what does it mean to protect? What does it mean to feel like commands from the inside? And what does it mean to be honest about both?
We're salty souls, and whether we're crying over synchronized breathing exercises or debating the ethics of protective violence.
We're always here for stories that don't give us easy answers. So.
Whew. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the most honest thing
is admitting that doing the right thing doesn't always feel right.
And that's okay.
See you next week.
See you next week. Thank you.